Edging can make or break a great quality piece of furniture. BRC has chosen to work with HomeEgg, a world-class manufacturer of edge machinery. Our edge machines laser apply the edge, melting the backside of the edge right where the edge gets applied to the substrate. This allows for a finished product that shows virtually no seams and offers a higher resistance to liquids or even germs and viruses. Next time you are out reviewing furniture with a client, look over our competition. It is common practice to glue the edge, which offers a visible glue line where the edge and the substrate meet. When it comes to edge machines, size does matter. You will see as we look over the machine, there are multiple trimming, scraping, shaping, and cleaning modules within it, allowing for almost a perfect edge at the end of the cycle. A little bit of cleaning and the finished product is complete. Our CNC machines are best in class, made by BSA. This one has multiple stations, increasing productivity. The drilling head has multiple bits located in the head, allowing for continuous production without interruption. The machine head can drill various size holes specific to the hardware we use. The head allows for both vertical and horizontal drilling, which helps with speed and quality. This machine will also cut material, which means if our saws have a problem and won't work, we have built-in contingency. This is our saw area, step one in the manufacturing process. Our saws are new, highly productive, and will cut multiple boards at the same time. Typical material thicknesses are 3/4 inch, 1 inch, and 1.5 inch. We can cut material up to 14 feet, allowing lots of flexibility while creating large surfaces. BRC has chosen to use a pin and cam fastener to build our furniture. Made in Germany and top quality, we feel this is a great method. Removable and reusable is one of the many benefits. As an example, if a client damages a gable, we can remove and replace it very easily, allowing for a great environmental story. The pin and cam are strong, flexible, and when we make changes and modifications, they're easily done. We call this area final assembly. It's where the furniture gets put together, cleaned, and packaged for delivery to you. As you look through this area, you'll see a diverse workforce of largely local people, many of which have worked at BRC for years. Fun fact, 70% of our workforce is local, 30% of our staff has been at BRC for over 10 years.
Finally, we are at the shipping station. BRC products are photographed and skidded before shipping. The furniture is set back from the front edge of the skid to help ensure the forklift driver does not damage the goods when moving the product. The product is protected with cardboard and plastic wrap. Anything with a door or a drawer ships fully assembled, and loose hardware such as feet ship in a separate box. Our drawer units will include a twist tie. This signifies the installer will find hardware inside the unit. All products ship with a removable green label, and this is valuable to the on-site project coordinators, as the label includes a line item number that links to the delivery note, a picture of the product code, as well as any office tagging information.